Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I DIY these pieces that I have on my coffee table to decorate. I love doing DIYs. It's so much fun, especially during summer. Spring is around the corner. I am so excited to get back to these DIY projects. Let's get started. Let's start by me showing you a few of the items that I DIY'd. So I got this beautiful vase from a thrift store. I think it was like $3. It wasn't even much. The original color was actually not this white, so I went ahead and spray painted it to this beautiful white. It's not really totally white, you can see through it. If you come closer to the camera, this piece has some design of like flower and all of that, so you can see the design kind of like trying to pick through, which is beautiful. I love it. I spray painted it and this is what it looks like. So I got this beautiful vase for probably $2. I don't remember how much this was. It was pretty cheap, and it was like a very really orange color because I'm going for that black look. And this is not shiny. It looks shiny, but it's not actually supposed to be shiny. It is a chalk paint color, so it's more like this side. So I got these books. I'm going to spray paint these books. They have covers, so I'm going to spray paint the cover itself. I don't mind the paint touching like the ends of the book pages. That's fine, obviously. So this is Stained Glass Garden, and this is the Cape Town book. I also got these beautiful candle holders from the store called At Home. They were each on sale for $2.50. I got 3 of them. I know this is a beautiful color already, but I want it black. I might not paint the third one, but I'm definitely going to paint 2 of them black. If you have not watched my 5 Below haul, go ahead and watch that. I'm going to link it below here. In that video, I showed this mounted desk shelf. I also got 2 of these types of shelves. I have the ultra matte. I have this acrylic enamel version. This has more of a shiny end to it. As you can see, the tops. See how this looks a little bit more matte. I have the chalkboard version. I was not able to find this in black, so that's why I'm using the ultra matte version. So this is what this looks like. So when you're supposed to hang it on your wall, just like that, and use it. I've already opened this to show you what it looks like once you have it open. I'm gonna use one of these and go ahead and remove these right there.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say.
Hopping these.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the a.m. that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
I also spray painted this black and gold, and I kind of did a little bit of design here. This is actually a box. Keep like your remote control and all those kind of stuff, and nobody needs to know. Just put it in there and it's fine. This is just gold that got stuck here, but it's fine.
People who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle.
This was also found at a thrift store. I washed it very well and then I spray painted it. It was black but the color was coming off, so I repainted it black.
I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep.
So the idea here is the white, the gold, and the black. That's what's going on here. Remember I said there was one that I was not going to paint. This is that one. I'm going to place that under the table. So as for that vase that I painted white, that goes right under here. This one goes right under here.